Alright, hey guys, Bike Life Nate here. So, I have these AirPods second generation, as you can see, with the wireless charging case. And I have these fake AirPods Pro that I bought. So, these ones right here were 160 bucks. They were on sale from 200. And these ones right here, which the packaging's already falling off of, these ones I got for 50 bucks. So we're going to be unboxing the fake AirPods first, right here. So we got the bubble wrap. Doesn't sound so good from the start. We pulled it off. Alright, right off the bat, notice that this doesn't have the Apple logo or anything, doesn't say AirPods. And the little paper thing doesn't have instructions or anything in it. Not even say AirPods. So here, I guess, are the AirPods. Number one off the bat, don't say designed by Apple, and I already look dinged up right there. See how good these things look. Wow. Good job by this fake company. Look just like them. Let's see if I press and hold the light, what color will it turn? Oh, it turns white. How sly is that? So here's the fake AirPods Pro. Pretty light. Let's see if we have the, what's it called? The extra noise, or the extra pieces. We do have the extra earpieces. Surprised about that. No charger, looks like. Looks like we got no charger, boys. So I'm gonna box that up again. Keep these out. And now let's get into the AirPods second generation unboxing. We got this, designed by Apple in California, as you can see. Closer. Why did it turn up blue? There. And then we just have normal stuff. I pre-packaged the wrapping because it's just hard to get off. So here's what you have. You have the little pull tab thing right there. Now it looks like we can just pull them off from now. So there we go. AirPods second gen right here. Let me just put this back real quick. Now I bought these yesterday at Target for 160 bucks. Well, 159, but still. With tax, it was like 169 bucks. So, yeah. So, what comes in the box there is an Apple cord and the AirPods. So, here are these on the back. Designed by Apple in California, as you can see. Light up. That's what they look like right there. Now these are really good fakes, like really good. Now it does tend to get a little bit stuck there, like you have to do it really hard. But these Apple AirPods, like they just shut. That's one good thing. Now these ones look like they came a little dinged up, which Apples are perfect. So now let's get into some other stuff. Okay. So here we have the fake pods. Fake Pods Pro. Here they are right here on the back. As you can see, that's the fake pods. Now it does have the engraved sort of thing, I could say. Just like Apple, right there. So here are the AirPods. Right here, they're a little bit dirty already. One thing I like about these, if you put the case side to side, it clicks. So the magnet on these is definitely way harder. That's definitely good. So first off the bat, AirPods are the lead. AirPods second, then I can say. So I have these right here. These covers I bought yesterday off Target's website again. Well, I got these in person at Target, but I got the case at like Target in the same thing. Alright, so here it is. Slide it down into the case. I like how you can still see how it says the assembled in California, or that phrase right there. There we go. That's how it looks on the back. Man, those look fresh. So that's a Heyday case on them. Now I have one more set of AirPods to unbox today. Now let me go grab them. Alright, we're back. So these right here are the other fake pair I got, the i12s. They look pretty good in the picture. They look pretty good on the back. Now let's open them. Wow, that's all I have to say. Inside you have this very thin sheet of plastic with these humongous AirPods. Look at the size difference. Oh, you can't really tell because I have the case on these. Alright, now, look at the size difference. That's about equal right there with like the bottoms. That's a huge difference. If you're trying to make fakes out here, gotta make them look good. Or else it's just not gonna fool anyone. So, let's do this. Picture to AirPod. Nothing like it. How big do they look? Oh my gosh, they're so bad. These were $10. Watch, I smile. Uh-oh, guys. You might have just fixed them. I guess we're doing a what's inside now. That's what's inside of fake AirPods. How do you get this back on? Oh, it got on. Did they turn on? Well, oh. How do I look, guys? Oh, yeah. Perfect. That's the new AirPods. First off, the case comes with a bunch of gunk on it. So now let's see how the magnets are. Magnet isn't bad. I mean, this is like it's not like that. It's like a plastic thing, but the magnets in it, okay, I guess they're not that good. I mean, what's the button on the do on the back? I guess that's the charging. Yeah, that's the charging case. So I guess you gotta press the button on the back when you want it to work, actually, or when you want the case to charge them. Guess that's what it wants you to do. So now we're gonna do the connecting. We're gonna see how easy they connect. I'll be right back. I'm getting my iPad real quick. Alright guys, so we got the iPad. Now we're gonna see how easy they are and hard they are to connect. Alright, so we're gonna log into my iPad real quick. Alright, so we got it. Wait, I gotta turn on the what's it called? Bluetooth. Alright, we got it. There they are. AirPods. AirPods. So there those are. Come up a heartbeat. Okay, so we're connected to those. We're going to connect AirPod Pros. Let's try to. Alright, AirPods Pro. It comes up as media control. Why did it come up Nate's AirPods Pro? That's my question. I don't know why. Okay, so those ones are decent. Now let's see these. Guessing these won't come up. Dude, I don't know what that gunk is, but it's gross and I don't want to touch it. Do they don't pop up, so I guess we're gonna have to go to settings. And then Bluetooth. And now let's just see if it even reads it. I won't be surprised if it doesn't even read it. Or that'll just be funny. Oh, there. I think that's it. Still got like a policeman. Oh my gosh, it connected. Look at that, guys. Press play TWS. Oh my gosh. So quickly, forget this device. Alright, we're good now. Now put it back in this piece of trash case. Alright, there's the 3 AirPods right there. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be signing out for now. Why are you still blinking? Oh my gosh, this fake pod is still blinking. Alright, I think I might have turned it off now. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. Just an AirPod comparison, buying 3. 1 real AirPod and 2 fakes. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and video. And now I'm going to get this thumbnail. So, yeah. See you guys.